get to the reporting, I'm just going to touch on this. This literally could be an entire workshop. An entire workshop. So we're not going to get into the details. I will just emphasize the importance of each of these reports. Again, we talked about the balance sheet and how important it is to measure the health or wealth. And really, it determines how much your business is worth. Your profit and loss is going to say how effective or productive or profitable you are. Your unpaid bills, we looked at that already. You know how much you owe and who you owe and when it's due. And your open invoices we also looked at as well. If you do nothing else but look at these 4 reports month over month, and the last 2 I would look at every week, if you do weekly check runs or weekly, collection. So at the very least, you want to look at your balance sheet and P&L once a month, your unpaid bills detail, and your open invoices about once a week. These are best practices, accounting practices, for those of you who want to make sure that you're using your system and your data for making the best business decisions that you can. And as a business owner, you could be spending your time doing everything you learned here, or you can leverage other people who have an expertise and can do it in about 5 seconds, get the data in there, and you focus on the data, the reports that come out, and use that information to make business decisions. Because really, at the end of the day, you're using the system so that you can generate these reports, provided that the information that was entered was accurate, so that you can look at these and say, oh, our revenues are down. Gosh, I think we need to do something about that. You make business and operational decisions from the data.